Hey guys, this is the fourth video, the fourth tutorial, so the third video I meant. Or is it the fourth video? Yeah, fifth tutorial. Alright, so here we have Linux Mint. Hopefully you know how to start it. I want you to start a terminal with Alt Shift T, Alt Control T, there you go. And then maximize it by using Alt space X. Good. What we're gonna do today in that terminal is install a server, then make a nice little page. I'm gonna show you like 4 secrets today. So, first freak knowledge. To install a software in Ubuntu, you type apt-get install. To install a software, you type sudo apt-get install and then the name. Here we want to install LAMP, which stands for Linux, Apache, MySQL, and what's the PHP? So LAMP server with a hat. And make sure to not type any title. Enter your password, and then just wait for it to install. Whoops, now you know that I live in Canada, so don't dox me. So this is about the time it takes on my connection to install a page. What it does is it install it to here. So you type current directory root var www html. Oh, what? Okay, I have no idea what the typo word was, but anyway, we got it. So go here, then HTML, and then you can make a basic. Oh, we don't have Vime. So to install Vime, go apt-get install Vime. Don't need to put the passwords because I just put it. Then it's installed. See, don't have to go to the internet. I just installed a package in 5 seconds. So Vime index.html. Let's say HTML tag. Oops. HTML. Hello. This is my server on local host port 8000, I think. Can't open file for writing. Okay, what does this mean? I'm gonna give you a little tutorial on that. Quit without saving. Here you see that I am the user lurk in the group lurk. I've told you that you could list and see that HTML is owned by the user root in the group root. So what you want to do is sudo chown recursively, so this folder and what's inside, but we don't need that since there's nothing inside. Then your name and your group, and the name of the folder you want to change. So now it's owned by me. So let's go here, vim index.html. Hopefully if I paste the code and save, it works. What does it do? We installed a server and wrote the code, the sentence, hello, this is my server on localhost port 8000. If we go on localhost, we see the text. It's not a very nice website. What you want to do, oh yeah, so thank you, Shaker is awesome. So what you want to do is install npm. npm is like a package manager but for server and tools that are for exclusively for web. But I might make a mistake there. I'm not so sure about it. It's just for what I use, so maybe it's used for more than this. So I want to install Bootstrap. Bootstrap is CSS framework. CSS means cascading style sheet, and framework means something that you can work with, like a frame that you work with. I don't know. And it's tough to multitask. So here I want to move everything, so star at upper directory. So upper is here, and upper is here. Type enter and go back to var www html, and there I have everything I need. So this is a front-end framework. Cascading style sheet is front-end. Front-end is what users see on the client side. So take less technical term, and by taking less technical term, I'm gonna show you what it means. Here, if you press F12 or inspect element, you see the source code. You can edit it directly, and when you enter it, it changes the page. This is client side. The user get a file and it displays on the screen. Backend, so this is front end, but backend is like the Apache server that we installed, or PHP. So this is all backend. So let's do front end here. Did I install Tmux? Yeah, I didn't show you, but to install Tmux, you do have to get install Tmux. Just do that. When it's done, type Tmux. Make a new one, ls, cd css, present working directory, ls, good. Now that I have those information on my monitor, I can add it here. HTML, let's give a good habit here. We have the body, which compose everything that you see on the screen. And you have the head, which is the code behind it, not the backend exactly, but like the colors, the script. The script is kinda backend, but not so much. I will need to read the definition of it. Here we want to get Bootstrap CSS, which is a front-end framework. So I will link it. Style sheet, type, text, CSS. Href means where it's at. So we are in HTML, and it is in the present working directory under CSS at boot bootstrap.css. Let's make a mistake here, or I'm gonna first check it if it works, but I'm pretty certain. So if I'm pretty sure. So if I make a mistake, like here I just put one S, and here there is two, and that I don't notice it. If I refresh the page and go to console, I'll see the error, can't get it. So I'll know that there is an error there, a mistake. If I correct it, hopefully I hope it works, it disappears because now the style is okay. It patched it. I'm gonna make a quick website with Bootstrap. First, a website need a navigation bar. So you go to component, go to navbar, and type a bar that you like. Copy. And paste. So now on localhost you have the magnificent bar that you can click, but it doesn't do anything right now because there is no script on it. Okay, so this is how you do a website. You just keep putting elements like breadcrumb or drop down menu like this. And last but not least, the fourth secret, how to hack Facebook. See here, I've saved my password and email account, so if you want to hack me, just watch. You come here, right click, inspect element, under password you type text instead, press enter, and there you go, this is my password. Just kidding, this is not my password, but you have the good example. So there you go folks, have a good day.